everybody, welcome back to TAZ's Wig Closet. Today we're going to take a look at a Raquel Welch style. It's been around for a while. We're going to unbox Goddess by Raquel Welch in the color Fiery Copper RL3129, a brilliant red color. Let's check it out coming up. I purchased this wig style from Wig Studio One. You can find it there. All you have to do is go below the video, expand the description box, and I'll attach a direct product link. It'll be labeled Raquel Welch's Goddess at Wig Studio One. Click on that link. It will take you out to the website. You can see all of the colors and the pricing. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. Don't forget to visit the private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. All of those links are below. Also, please take a moment to like this video. Whether you like this particular wig or not, it really does help bring these free resources to everyone. Go ahead and like it. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. So let's go ahead and start our unboxing. You'll see it for the first time right along with me. I have not experienced this style before. I know it's been out for a while. If anybody out there has tried Raquel Welch's Goddess, please let me know. Let us know what you think by doing the comments below. Now, Goddess is going to be a mid-length, I think a shag style. I can't be sure. The pictures on this one, it's really beautiful, by the way, but I'm really not quite sure about what the true identity of this style is, but we're going to check it out. Okay, got a nice net there. This one has some really well-made cap features because Raquel Welch always does a beautiful lace front, and this particular one has a full monofilament top. Let's take a look at the inside of the cap. So there it is. There's that temple to temple lace front. It does not extend back into the ear tab, but it does go around those seams. So we should not be able to see any seams. Well made. A seam that adjoins the single monofilament top. Very nicely knotted there. Hardy, yet soft and pliable. I love a Raquel Welch lace front. And then we have the closed velvet ear tabs, just a standard nape with Velcro style adjusters, lots of wefting. We will check out the fit on this as soon as I make an application here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the tags so we can get this on. All right, now this cap doesn't fit me too bad. It fits me, it seems quite average to me actually, but that still means that on my petite average circumference that I will have to make an adjustment. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And then while I'm here, I'm just going to give it a quick shake, just all the normal things that you do to apply a wig and wake it up. This is the heat-friendly fiber. This is true to life. It has a beautiful feeling to it. It's soft. It's kind of a velvety to the touch. A nice lush density. A lush density is just so typical of Raquel Welch. Everything about this line is just glamorous and luxurious. You can really make them what you want. So my instinct is to get in there and mess it up a little bit. That makes it more in tune with my personality. Look at that. I mean, this is it, guys. This is Goddess right out of the box. I have not seen the back of it yet. It has about a 6 1/4 to 6, about a 6-inch to 6 1/4 inch fringe there, but there's multiple layers to frame the face that just kind of comes down, spreads around the eyes at the parting space, and moves right back into the style out of the eyes. Look at the body in this already. I haven't done anything to it. It's just full of body. I see some little flips back there, kind of in that true shag kind of a fashion. So there's a little bit of contour that you see right out of the box. I just kind of coax that out a little bit, wake it up, coax it out to give me a little bit of lift right at the front. Now this would be super easy also to kind of wear it down over the forehead. I think it's flattering either way. It's just that my own personal preference, as you know, is to build in a little contour here. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this lace front and monofilament features here. You see me glancing over here to the mirror. I keep seeing my widow's peak, but that's just because the lace front is so sheer you can see the biological hair underneath. All right, so again, not extended, but very, very well done. All of the seams are obscured. It's a very nice fine knotting process right there at the front. The highlight of this color is butting right up against that lace front. It really softens it. We're going to take a look at this color here in just a moment. And then anywhere from the top, you should be able to get the illusion of scalp and natural appearance through those monofilament features. I have a wide tooth comb here. I just want to work that part just a little. On a monofilament top, you can part it wherever you like. My preference is just a little left of center, but I am flexible. I just mess around with it to see what the best look is for me. In styling, we're going to move that part around so that you can get a sense of what it looks like. Wow. Overall, and again, I haven't measured this, but overall it feels like it's about 13 to 14 inches. Of course, then you can stretch it out maybe a little to gain a little more length, but I'm thinking right around 14 inches. But I'm loving that 6 1/4 inch fringe. I think it is gorgeous around the face, and it really responds to just manipulating it with my fingers. Therefore, it stays out of the face beautifully. So before we go any further, we have to talk about this red. This Fiery Copper RL3129 is probably my favorite red that I enjoy wearing. I will wear this red actually, and I love it because it's more on the warm side, but it's very dynamic. So it's not rooted, but it's very dynamic, lots of layering of color here. And so what we're looking at is a medium, some medium, and some darker auburn colors as kind of the base. And then there might be some cherry, more of a medium cherry copper in there. But what is striking about this and what makes me adore it are these light coppery highlights. So the light coppery highlights you see mixed around the face here. Now I have seen more brilliant applications of this color where those coppers just really stand out. Now this one serves to brighten and lighten around the face, but it's not as, let me say, coppery orange as some applications, but it's absolutely beautiful, isn't it? All those red colors mixed through. It looks rich. This is a rich looking color. You would spend a fortune getting this color in a salon. I'm just really loving this one more and more. So even though it has a lush density to it, it's not overpowered with permatease. Now you're going to find permatease around that monofilament, in the back, and at the nape, but it isn't the type of soft pillowy permatease that you can't even stick your fingers through. The permatease layer, it feels very nice, and it supports this style well because you're going to get a lot more of a profile in this style because of some of that permatease. So see how beautiful the silhouette is? That's going to be sustained all day long. And I have a feeling that you can just pump this up to get a beautiful voluminous look, a glamorous look. Play up the profile to suit your preferences. It doesn't have to be a big style. You saw me take this right out of the box, just with a little bit of a shake and a little bit of manipulation at the front. We gave it a comb to separate it and wake it up, and this is what you have in store. Isn't it beautiful? Let's try with glasses. I always like to see how I manage to fit them between the ear and the ear tab. Boy, there's some dust on these little readers here. Haven't worn these in a while. Beautiful. I think it fits nicely between the ear and the ear tab. There's not too much permatease in the area. So if you are a full-time glasses wearer, I think this will be friendly towards your glasses. So let's get started on styling this one and just moving it around so you can get a sense of the density and the movement. I think you're really going to enjoy this one. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. We'll see you soon right here on TAZ's Wig Closet at Wig Studio 1.